if you are completely new to WordPress and you really have no idea what you're doing, but you want to install the Avada theme because you've seen somebody use it or it's been recommended to you, I wanted to just take a couple minutes and show you how to install themes from WordPress. So to do that, the first thing that you need to do is to get Avada. If you haven't purchased it already, you just go to themeforest.net, you look up Avada, you go ahead and purchase Avada, and when you do that, what you have to do is you'll go to your account, you'll go to your downloads, you'll scroll all the way down, and what I want you to do is click on this button right here, all files and documentation. Go ahead and download that, and once you do that, what you need to do is you'll have the file. You need to just right click and extract it. If you're on a Mac, it's the same thing. You just have to unzip it, and once you do that, the file, you'll click on it and you'll click on Avada theme, and then this one right here, this zip file, the Avada file, will be the one that you use. Now to upload that, what you do from your WordPress dashboard, you go to Appearance, you go to Themes, you go up here to Add New, and then Upload Theme. You'll choose the file, and of course that file is going to be the same one that we just looked at. Okay, so that's right in here, the Avada full package, Avada theme, and then this one right here will be the one that you want to click on. Okay, so you got to dig down just a little bit in order to get to that zip file. Go ahead and click Open, and then Install Now. So the installation will really kind of depend on your internet connection, but generally it doesn't take very long. And so in just about 10 seconds or so, it says theme installed successfully. And then what you want to do is click Activate. Again, just give it a few seconds for that to activate itself. And then welcome to Avada. So at this point, it's installed, it's all set, but there's a few things that you have to do. First thing, go manage plugins. And the two most important plugins that you have to install, the rest of them are pretty much optional, are these first two. So the Fusion Core, I clicked on that. We're going to return back to the plugins again, come down here, and we're going to install the Fusion Builder after that. So click Install, give it a few seconds, return back to plugins, and then at this point, technically you're all set to go. But you'll see right here, premium plugins can only be installed if you have a valid token registration. And this is very simple. Go ahead and you'll just click this link right here, and it tells you everything that you need right here as far as getting that token. So click right here on this link, generate a personal token. And basically, if you're logged into Avada, which they're the ones that own the theme forest, okay, that's the main company, you'll come here. And so it has a lot of boxes right here. Generally, for the most part, what you need clicked is already clicked, but just come back here and it shows you the 4 or 5 things that you need clicked. Okay, so just look at these right here and then come back here, make sure all of those are clicked. Give it a name. We'll just call it Avada. I'm going to call it 5.9. Click right here that you've read everything, create the token, and success. So go ahead and you'll just copy that. Come back here, enter that token right there, hit submit, and then once you hit submit, congratulations, you're all set. Now, everything is installed and you're ready to use Avada, but let me show you something right here. Sometimes before they do a major update, they'll actually have Fusion like patches, and so they'll just send out little patches if there's like a little glitch in the program. And so if that is the case, you look here on the left hand column and under Avada, it'll always come up with a little notification here. You want to click on Fusion Patcher. So there's 4 patches that need to be done. It's very simple. You just click on that, come over here, click Apply Patch, and you'll do this for each one of these. It just does it on its own. There's really nothing you have to think about. Do this last one. Okay, and that's it. So if you want to see if it's been installed, all you'll do is go up here, go to visit site, and there you go. So it's very basic at this point. We haven't built anything out, but the Avada theme is installed. It's very simple to do. If you have any questions, please let me know. But that is how you install Avada in WordPress.